Hola. Mfano mnandi kakhulu la. Ashay Sila. And I'd like to thank my Paprika family for the gift. Yo, guys, my heart is touched. Thank you so much for the gift. And I appreciate each and every one of your support. It means the world to me. And I can't wait to meet you guys soon when I come home. Thank you so much again. Om Nandu Nandi. Feel nice.
Let's all be honest, out of all the housemates that were infected every Sunday, who I share, he's the only housemate who has never spoke bad about any housemate. The guy has been true to himself, he's always talking about himself. Even on the interview, he said that he played himself, unlike King Wanda and Dawn. I still remember when King Wanda and Dawn came out, they were blaming Liema Kaiser, saying it was Liema's fault. Liema, they did not know Liema, she was playing a game. But when it comes to Ashe, he's still talking good about Liema, guys. It shows that he was really a good friend to Liema, guys. Right now, I see King Wanda campaigning for Liema. I was like, yo, one thing about King Wanda, he said that he wants to work with Liema after the Big Brother Mzansi season 6. So I see what you're doing, King Wanda. But anyway, guys, it's a good thing, guys. I wish you Ashe nothing the best. I saw people were busy taking brands for Mele, guys. I wish the Paprika family, they can do the same, guys. You just go to social media, to any brand, Nivea or Dove, you just tag them, say, can you please consider Ashe as one of your brand ambassador? They will do that, guys. You know, he has a strong fan base on TikTok. I still don't get it why people, they were not voting for Ashe, guys, because I thought it's one of those housemates that will make it to top 2. If you look at Ashe's social media page, especially TikTok, I think it's sitting on 400 followers. I'm not sure, guys. So I thought this guy is winning the 2 million. Unfortunately, it didn't happen, but he still can make the 2 million outside the house. So guys, we have seen Abu Ashley, guys, Abu Grace Mondlana, they are doing so well, guys. I'm sure Peye or Grace Mondlana, she makes more than 2 million rand. So it is, as long as you put yourself out there, post content every day, you know, you tag brand, you post clean quality content, you know, every day, consistent. I think you can make it, guys. It's easy to make it in this industry. Since he's a dancer, you can just dance to trending song, guys, wearing different outfit. You know, you can go outside and do vlog, you know, showing us the Indian food. You can do something. People love that. People love to watch new things every day. I get bored whenever I'm watching one YouTuber. I need a lot of YouTubers, guys. I enjoy a lot of influencers, their content. So it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.